Okay, today we're going to look at the fundamentals of chemistry. Chemistry can be absolutely diabolical unless you understand the basic concepts. And to understand the basic concepts today, we're going to look at how the atom is structured using Play-Doh. Okay. So the first thing we need to know is that atoms are made up of protons, which we're going to use for green. Neutrons, which we're going to allocate orange, and electrons, which today we're going to allocate as blue. So green, protons, orange, neutrons, and electrons in blue. Now, this is a copy of the AQA periodic table. I'm going to show you how lithium, which is the first one in group 1, is structured. And it says here that it has a relative atomic mass of 7 and an atomic number of 3. So I'll just draw that out nice and big for you. So that is lithium, Li, and the relative atomic mass is 7 and the atomic number is 3. Okay. What that means is it has 3 protons. So what we're going to do is going to use the Play-Doh to make 3 protons. 1, 2, okay, they should be equal size. 3, there you go, it's got 3 protons. I'm going to make this a bit smaller just to get them all equal sizes. There we go, so it's got 3 protons. That's what this number here means. 3 protons is the atomic number. Now, the number at the top is the number of protons and the number of neutrons together. So if you want to work out how many neutrons we need, it's 7 take away 3. So what we'll do is we will add our 4 neutrons, and these should be the same size as our protons. A bit more to that one. There we go. That's 3, and we need 1 more. And that is the nucleus of our atom. It's got 3 protons. In order to work out how many protons and neutrons I need to make it up to 7, so it's got 4 neutrons. There. So that's called the nucleus of the atom. Now, around the atom you have things called electrons. And the electrons is also, in most atoms, they equal the number of protons. So the number of electrons in this particular case is going to be 3. Now electrons are tiny, okay, this definitely isn't a scale. So we have our electrons here, and they go around the outside. They are not part of the atom. Now, electrons are arranged in what we call shells. And they're arranged in shells of, for GCSE purposes, 2 in the inner shell and then 8 in the next shell. So we've got 1 shell here, and we've got another shell around the outside. Okay? That's it. So inner shell and an outer shell. So the inner shell will go around like this, around there, and the outer shell will go around the outside there. And that's how the atom is structured. You need to know that the protons are positively charged, the neutrons have a neutral charge, and the electrons have a negative charge. Thank you.